Hello, my name is Tebi Remion from Cameroon. I'm a student of the Forex Beginners course by Sat Ali. Before I joined the Forex Beginners course by Sat Ali, I was very frustrated because I was looking for a way I could learn Forex in an organized manner because I never had money to pay for a course. So when I found Sat Ali's course on YouTube, I had to go to the website and sign up and I started learning. I learned about supply and demand, Fibonacci retracement, I learned candlestick patterns, and all of that. We also have a private student group on Facebook whereby you analyze your charts and post it there. Sat Ali will review it for you. They will tell you your mistakes and you'll be able to correct yourself. So it's very beneficial. Like it's this is not just a free course; it's more than free. Like it's it's a free course, but what I'm trying to say is that it's worth it. It's like I think it's this course is very, I don't know what to say, like it makes me so happy that I've finally achieved my goals in learning how and understanding forex properly. So I really want to thank Satali very much for this great opportunity and for impacting his knowledge in me. So if you want to join this course, do not hesitate. Do not hesitate. You can start today. It's very profitable to learn forex. We only focus on one currency pairs, which is AUD and USD.